Welcome to Star Chat, the podcast where we explore the wonders of the universe and all its secrets. I'm your host, Carl, and I'm thrilled to have you join us today for another exciting episode. As we celebrate the latest advancements in space exploration, we're taking a look back at one of the most iconic telescopes in history, the Hubble Space Telescope. For 35 years, Hubble has been our eyes on the universe, capturing breathtaking images and making groundbreaking discoveries that have changed our understanding of the cosmos. From the stunning vistas of distant galaxies to the intricate dance of celestial bodies in our own solar system, Hubble has given us a front-row seat to the most spectacular show in the universe. And today, we're going to take a journey through some of the most remarkable images and discoveries made by this incredible telescope. Imagine witnessing the collision of two asteroids, or seeing the birth and death of stars in vivid detail. Hubble has allowed us to do just that, and its legacy continues to inspire new generations of scientists, engineers, and space enthusiasts around the world. We'll be diving into some of the most fascinating stories behind Hubble's discoveries, from the cosmic mashup of asteroid collisions to the stunning light shows on Jupiter. We'll also explore how Hubble's images have informed and inspired both scientists and the general public alike, sparking a sense of curiosity and wonder about the universe that drives us to keep exploring. So buckle up, space fans, as we embark on this journey through the highlights of Hubble's 35-year history. With its incredible legacy and continued contributions to our understanding of the universe, it's clear that Hubble will remain an iconic symbol of human curiosity and ingenuity for years to come. We'll be right back with more fascinating space news on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat, folks. We're excited to dive into our middle segment, where we explore the latest developments in space exploration and astronomy. Today, we're talking about NASA's Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope, a game-changer in the world of astrophysics. This incredible telescope is set to launch soon, and it's going to revolutionize our understanding of the universe. With its advanced technology, Roman will be able to study dark energy, dark matter, and the formation of galaxies like never before. But what's really cool about this mission is that it's not just focused on one specific area of research. It's designed to be a versatile tool that can tackle a wide range of astronomical questions. One of the key areas of focus for Roman is the study of exploding stars, also known as supernovae. By observing these cosmic events, scientists hope to gain a better understanding of dark energy, which is driving the acceleration of the universe's expansion. But Roman won't just be looking at supernovae. It will also be studying the formation of galaxies, the behavior of black holes, and even the search for exoplanets. In fact, Roman's Galactic Bulge Time Domain Survey will provide one of the deepest views ever of the heart of our Milky Way galaxy. By watching hundreds of millions of stars, astronomers hope to detect microlensing signals that could reveal the presence of isolated, stellar mass black holes, as well as rogue planets and other mysterious objects. But here's the best part. All of the data collected by Roman will be made public as soon as it's processed, with no periods of exclusive access. That means scientists and researchers around the world will have access to this incredible wealth of information, allowing them to make new discoveries and advance our understanding of the universe at an unprecedented rate. As we look to the future of space exploration, missions like Roman remind us of the awe-inspiring power of human curiosity and ingenuity. With its cutting-edge technology and ambitious scientific goals, Roman is poised to make a major impact on our understanding of the cosmos. Stay tuned for our final story of the day, right here on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat, folks. We've got an exciting closing segment for you today, so buckle up and let's dive right in. We're going to talk about some amazing new images from the world's largest solar telescope, the Daniel K. Inouye Solar Telescope, or DCIST for short. Now, this incredible instrument has been making waves in the scientific community since its launch in 2022, and it just keeps getting better. The latest milestone is the installation of a spectropolarimeter visible tuner filter, or VTF, which allows DCS to capture even more detailed images of our sun's surface. The first image from this new setup is simply stunning. It shows a gigantic sunspot on the sun's surface, with each pixel corresponding to about 10 kilometers on the sun. That's an incredible level of detail, and it's going to help scientists learn so much more about the sun's behavior and how it affects our planet. But what's really cool about this image is that it was taken using a specific wavelength of light, 588.9 nanometers, which allows us to see the sunspot's penumbra in amazing detail. The penumbra is the region around the sunspot where the magnetic field is stronger, and it's an area of intense interest for scientists studying space weather. The VTF instrument itself is a massive addition to DCIS, weighing in at 5.6 tons and occupying 2 floors at the National Solar Observatory. It was developed over 15 years by a team of experts in Germany, and its installation was a painstaking process that took months to complete. So why is all this important? Well, studying the sun's surface and behavior can help us better understand space weather, which can have a huge impact on our daily lives. From disrupting communication systems to causing beautiful aurora displays, the sun's activity is something we need to keep an eye on. And that's exactly what DCIS and its VTF instrument are designed to do. By capturing these incredible images and studying the sun's behavior in unprecedented detail, scientists can gain a deeper understanding of our star and how it affects our planet. That's all for today's Star Chat. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, remember to keep looking up at the stars.